In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method from Spotify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can clean up your saved cards quickly and confidently. First, open a web browser and go to Spotify.com. Sign into your account using your regular login details. If you have more than one Spotify account, take a second to confirm you're in the right one, especially if you manage multiple profiles. If you're watching on a phone, you can do this in a mobile browser, but the desktop website is usually the smoothest experience for managing billing. Once you're signed in, head to your account page. You'll find it by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and choosing Account from the menu. This opens your main account overview, where you can review your plan, profile, and payment settings. If you're in the app and don't see the account option, switch to a browser, because billing changes happen on the website. On the account page, scroll to the section labeled Payments and Billing. Within that, look for Saved Payment Cards. This is where Spotify stores any card details you've previously saved for faster checkout or recurring billing. Give the page a moment to load, as sometimes billing sections fetch information in the background. Find the card you want to remove and click it to open its details. Double-check you've selected the correct card, especially if you have more than one saved. Removing the wrong one can interrupt your next payment if you rely on it for premium. Now look for the Remove Saved Card button. It's typically near the card information and may be highlighted or appear as a link, depending on your region and interface. Click it, and when Spotify asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm removal. This is a safeguard to make sure you don't remove a payment method by accident. After confirming, you should see a success message or notice the card disappear from the list. If it still appears, refresh the page to update the view. Removing a saved card does not cancel your premium plan. It simply removes that specific payment method. If it's your only payment method on file, your subscription may pause at the next billing date unless you add another valid method beforehand. If you don't see the Saved Payment Card section or the Remove option, your subscription might be billed through a third party, such as a mobile carrier or an app store. In that case, payment changes must be managed through that provider. And that's it. You've